Today we're baking banana carrot cake, the perfect festive treat. In a large bowl, sift together 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then for that cozy Christmas flavor, you can add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can add a pinch of ground cloves or ginger, whatever fits your fancy. And then next, we're going to be whisking all of that up and adding in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. The brown sugar adds a rich caramel flavor, perfect for the holidays. Whisk everything together until it's beautifully combined. And then in a second bowl, you're going to take your 4 largest, ripest bananas. The riper, the more brown, the more bruised, the better. The brown bananas are what makes this cake extra moist and naturally sweet. Next, you're going to be grabbing your 3 largest carrots and you're going to grate them finely. The carrots also bring a little subtle sweetness and texture and orangey color to the cake. Be sure to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius on the baking setting so it's ready whenever we are. For the other wet ingredients, crack 4 room temperature eggs into a bowl. Then add 2/3 of a cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Now put your back into it. We're going to whisk it all together until very, very smooth. No yolks should be visible. You want a perfectly homogeneous mixture because it's going to be time to bring everything all together, pour the wet into the dry ingredients and gently mix until beautifully combined. Then for the fun part, add your bananas and your grated carrots. And then for the festive touch, you can toss in whatever you like, some chopped pecans, sultans, raisins, and dates. These add an extra texture and a holiday flavor that makes this cake super special and sweet. And then you can line your cake pan with parchment paper. The batter should look smooth and slightly runny. That's what makes this cake moist. Pop it in the oven, and now we wait as the kitchen begins to smell like pure Christmas magic. You can check on your cake after about 30 minutes by inserting a fork to just see how it's going. While this was baking, I made a simple cream cheese frosting with cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla essence, and a dash of lemon juice. I eyeballed all the ingredients, and you will know when your cake loaf is ready when you have a very brown gold, orangey, rustic, delicious banana carrot cake before you, ready to be devoured. Once the cake is cooled, frost it generously, sprinkle some of those chopped pecans and raisins, and there you have it, a beautifully festival banana carrot cake, perfect for a rather sweet Christmas morning with a good cup of chai latte. Enjoy!